Today, we'll dive into a home design element that is both practical and attractive: wood slat panels. Unleashing their natural beauty and warmth, wood slat panels can elevate your home's aesthetic to the next level. Let's uncover the benefits, how to choose the right ones, popular applications, and installation tips for these transformative elements. The benefits of wood slat panels are numerous. They improve visual appeal, creating a cozy, welcoming, and visually pleasing environment. Their unique texture and potential for interesting patterns can bring life to otherwise dull spaces. Wood slat panels can also increase your property's value and appeal, and their design versatility allows them to fit seamlessly into any design scheme, from modern minimalism to classic elegance. From oak, walnut, cedar, to pine, each wood type offers unique characteristics to meet your style and functional needs. Sizing, spacing, color, and finish are also crucial factors to consider for the best aesthetic impact. Wood slat panels are not just for walls. They are excellent for ceiling treatments, room dividers, and adding visual interest, warmth, and privacy to any space. When installing wood slat panels, preparation, proper alignment, and secure installation are key. Once installed, maintain their beauty by cleaning regularly with a soft cloth and mild soap, and avoid moisture to prevent warping and fading. To sum it up, wood slat panels are a versatile, appealing addition to any home. Their unique aesthetic and practical benefits make them a top choice for those looking to enhance their home's interior. With the right selection, installation, and maintenance, wood slat panels can add value and visual interest to your property for years to come. Ready to embrace the charm of wood slat panels? Visit poshwood.com to browse our extensive collection. Start transforming your space today. Posh Wood, bringing natural beauty into your home, one panel at a time. Visit poshwood.com to select the right wood slat panels for your home today.